y'all, what's up? I'm about to go get my hair done. This is what the hair is looking at. Bald head. No, I'm just playing. But it's like this. I'm getting a closure wig installed. She did put some highlights in it, and she said I can film, so I'm taking y'all along with me. My hair just looks so crazy right now, but I'm about to get it done, so like no worries. So it's just gonna be like a get cute with me. I'm gonna get dressed, put on a cute outfit, take pictures, and y'all just gonna be coming along with me. I should have got my eyebrows arched. That's what I should have done. Maybe I'll go after I get my hair done, but I'm gonna just take out with me to get my hair done and stuff. When she started doing my hair, I will show her info, so a little bit for her. And yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm either on the way there or when I get there. Yeah, I made it. You don't want to be in the camera?
I mean, I don't care.
This is my first wig install, and like my first custom color. Like I never wore extensions with like when it was colored. So I'm excited.
I just got $2 million for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Whipping the block and he don't come until the morning. I always pray to have a building with a dormant. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on this trip to trip too hard. Fuck around and drown off this way. I'm still the same bitch from the city of the potholes. She said, oh, I got those. I said, no, it's not those. I don't fuck with birds, but you bitches with my cock though. If I want some chicken and waffles, I go to Roscoe's. Cooler than the winter, but I heat up like the summer. Fucking with my baby, I'm a gunner. When I say baby, I ain't talking about stunner. I'm talking about Lil like Weezy wanna come up. Too hard. Too hard. Too hard. Too hard.
6 million ways to die, choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nicki M, I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red, I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a Fendi fact, I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is cut the day, Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Ways to die, choose one.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Ways to die, choose one.
Alright guys, we're finished. Okay, so I'm back home from getting my hair done. This is the hair. I'll put her information up there. So y'all go book with her if you're in my city. And now I'm about to get ready to take these pictures, but first let me show y'all what I'm wearing. So these are the shoes with my outfit. They're my Jordan, I forgot what they were called, Volt Gold. These I'm wearing. Then I'm wearing Chanel bag. And then I'm wearing this little jumpsuit. It looks whatever. It looks like whatever right now when I put it on. This is from Shein. And I might just put on some mascara and a lip combo, and that's it. I'm not putting on makeup or anything. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, I'm gonna get my eyebrows arched. I'm gonna get my eyebrows arched. I didn't record it because like we were in and out, so yeah, I did get my eyebrows arched. This laces everything, like, huh? Okay, let's get ready. Okay, y'all, I'm all changed in the outfit. So I came on here, I was changed to the outfit, then I noticed it was see-through. I had on a nude bra and it was showing like crazy. I put on a black bra and it's still like showing a little bit, but it's not that bad, especially when I take pictures. I can kind of blur that out. So I put the jumpsuit back on, and then I noticed my undies are showing, so I had to take it back off and put on some black underwear. So that's something, like, if you want to buy this set, like this jumpsuit from Shein, that's something to keep in mind. It is see-through, but this is how it's looking on me. This is how it's looking on me. So those are my clothes from earlier. Please don't mind that. Yeah, I don't have my ring light and my camera stand right now, and I'm not putting it up because this video almost over, but y'all just bear with me. So next, I already showed y'all the shoes, so I'm just gonna do some mascara and my lip combo and give them face, give them life. Let's see, I don't want my camera to fall. Please don't fall. I can't afford to fix you if you fall. So sorry for the angle right now, whatever. I'm gonna do my lip combo. So have the NYX Professional Makeup lip liner, and it's in the shade 11 Urban Cafe. So I'm gonna take it, and I'm not gonna say I don't know how to line my lips, but it's a little hard, so I'm gonna speed this up because we're gonna be here for a long time. Right. So this is my outline, not great at all. I'm going to take the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline or Madeline. Just a good brown. I feel like it's going to bring out my hair. So this is how the lip combo is looking. Not the best, but like I told y'all, I'm not no pro. What did I say I was going next? Mascara. This is my makeup bag. Okay, this is my mascara. I got both of my lip things from Ulta. I'm starting to get into makeup and stuff. So this is the Benefit Roller Lash Black Mascara. I have the mini one, and it works like really good, especially like my lashes are like long but they're straight, so they're not curly, so they just kind of, so they don't look like they're long, and this just like defines them and stuff. So I'm just gonna do this. This is what the box looks like if you want to buy it. I'll probably link everything below if I remember. So I'll just apply it. Again. Oh no. You can't see, but this is how my lashes are looking. I feel so pretty right now. Like, I'm not trying to be conceited, but part. Okay, so that's really it. I'm gonna put on some bracelets and I'm gonna put on my necklace. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it. That's for jewelry. I don't know how far I want this to go down. Like, I don't want to show like my whole bra, but maybe like, no, I'm gonna just leave it up. I'm not gonna zip it all the way up, but maybe like right here. That's fine. So I have like all these bangles and stuff like that. Yeah, these are like an assorted mix of bangles and stuff. Some of these are from Alex and Ani. Some of these are from Pandora, I think. And this pink one my god sister made. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put them on the left arm. Struggling, my skinny wrist is struggling, so I'm gonna pull the jumpsuit over my bracelets. Yeah, it's kind of, I know there are a lot of bracelets, but yeah, so that's the hair. This is how I look in my bathroom. I feel cute right now, don't mind me. So I think that's it for like excess. Oh my, y'all, I didn't even put the necklace on. I didn't put the necklace on. I brung it here, I didn't put it on. I don't know what's wrong with me. It just says Tootie. Tootie's my nickname. Tootie's my nickname, my childhood nickname. So I just got it on a necklace. I really want like a Cuban link or something, like a more sophisticated. So yeah, it's gold. I feel like, I don't know. Let's go ask my mom, is she ready to take my pictures? Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures, and this is kind of like the end. I'm gonna insert the pictures, but if y'all don't follow me, go follow me, Tori Alana with 2 A's at the end. And y'all, I know I've been gone for a long time. Like, I'm gonna talk about that in a whole other video. I'm rebranding my channel. I'm back now. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna post every 2 weeks. I mean, not every 2 weeks. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna post twice every week, 3 times every week, maybe once a week. Probably not even that. It's busy. It's a tough time right now. I'm prepping for the SAT. I be working, so delays though, like delays. But yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, you can become a lawn babe. We lit, boo, we lit. So I'll talk to y'all after I finish taking my pictures, and I'm gonna insert them in here. I'm trying to think of a good caption. I was about to say comment down one, but that wouldn't even make sense because by the time the video drops, the pictures will be out. So, but anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so done taking pictures. We're back. Took a whole bunch of pictures, whole bunch. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna post yet, but y'all see this video will be up long after I post my picture. Hair slayed, outfit slayed, it's nothing. But yeah, it's the end of the video. Love you so much. Jump on my balloons. It was just Valentine's Day for me trying to grab the string. These are my balloons, but yeah. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Love you. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.